Here's how to do a voiceover on TikTok. Record or upload the video you want to use. Hit the check mark to continue to the editing page. On the right, tap the microphone icon in the corner, labeled Voiceover. Hold down the record button to record a voiceover on any part of the video. After saving the recording, tap the music note on the bottom left corner labeled Sounds. Select Volume on the bottom right to adjust the volume of the added or original sound. Hit Next and you're done. Today we'll go over lighting with the Fuji X-T3. Got a classic body, lots of buttons. Let's get the cap off, switch it on, and fix the lighting.